welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be deep cleaning my fridge. I know I always like to watch people deep clean their fridges because it gives me motivation to do my own. So hopefully it motivates you guys as well. So let's get into it. Okay, so luckily my fridge isn't too bad right now. I'm kind of getting near needing to go grocery shopping again. So it's not terrible, not terribly packed, I should say, but definitely like you can kind of tell down here it needs to be wiped and cleaned out. Freezer is a lot more full, so we'll definitely see how I can kind of organize all this stuff. I do also have a chest freezer, so I might end up moving some of that stuff over there just to make this a little more neater. That actually went by so smooth. It literally took like about 30 minutes to get everything out, wipe it all down, put everything back. I try to do this routinely, so I didn't have a lot of things to throw away, and I do a lot of shelf picking, which is where you just use up what you have. So luckily it wasn't too bad, but there, as you can kind of tell, there were definitely some spots I had to scrub a bit more. Unfortunately, my freezer part, it did not get recorded. So that footage does not make it into this video, but I think my freezer was actually worse than like the fridge portion. So it was nice to get that all cleaned out and again see like what I have, what I could use up. I only had to throw away like a couple of things, which is great because I do not like to waste food. All right, well, since I have a little extra time, I think I'm going to try to make like a dessert. So I'm thinking of making like a coconut matcha type ice cream. So let me show you how I make that. Okay, so I have 2 cans of coconut milk that have been in the fridge. So they have this like nice cream on top, and it's a little tougher I don't know if you can kind of tell trying to poke that, but we're going to be using that portion of the coconut milk. And then you can definitely save the water for like smoothies or just for something else. I've got some maple syrup, some vanilla, and then I have my matcha powder. So I'm just going to put everything in the food processor, and you'll see how it turns out. So this is basically what it's gonna look like. What I would recommend if you've never like had matcha before is make just like a small batch, maybe half this recipe, and you can just add in little by little of what you think it needs. If it needs to be a little sweeter, add more maple syrup. If you want a little creamier, add more coconut. And definitely if you want more of that matcha taste, you can add more matcha. I only add about a tablespoon to this, and then it just comes out like nice and creamy like this. And if you want it to be more like an ice cream texture, you can put it into like a container and then just freeze it, and it'll be completely solid, and then let it sit out for a couple minutes and it'll get more of like an ice cream texture. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna go enjoy some of this right now, and I'll see you guys next week.